দাঁড়ায় থেকে আমরা এখন আহসান মঞ্জিলে, আমি রিগান ভাই, মাসুম ভাই সবাই মিলে ছবি তুলছি। আমাদের সাথে ইয়াসিন আছে। শোয়েবটাকে খুঁজে পাচ্ছি না কেন। শোয়েব তুমি কোথায়? কাম অন বেবি। This is Rigan bhai. We are watching Rigan bhai, and now we are watching Masum bhai. Please smile, please. Tell me something. This is Masum bhai, and this is Yasin taking pictures. What's the picture? Yes,
Now it's Arif.
Yeah,
it's Arif.
Arif.
Please describe yourself. Please
I
describe.
am Arif. I am now. This time is Ahsan Manzil. I'm really enjoying for this rain.
Wow, what a scene, yaar.
For all of those things, I am not just enjoying it.
ঘুরে যান দেওয়ালের সাথে ঘুরে যান। Okay. Now it's heavy. Very much beautiness. Okay, go. ঘুরেন রাস্তা তো ঘুরেন। আস্তে। হ্যাঁ। Oh wow. It's a Gulshan Ara market, you know? Yeah. Okay, stop it. Now last is me.
It's a Rigan bhai now. Dancing, glamping, and so many things. This is Yasin taking picturing, and we are seeing the river side, and this is the river side, and this is the another side of Ahsan Manzil. Oh, it's looking so gorgeous. Okay, this is the last scene of our video, and Rigan bhai posing. There will be the Yasin, but where is our Shoaib? I can find. I think she will be illness. Shouting Rigan bhai. It's the Bash, bamboo, I think, and we are seeing a river. So there is some coconut tree. So okay, that's the end. Okay, thank you. Bye.